Today I am making Moong Vadi Masala, and because my daughter loves moong pakodas, I made some with the leftover batter too. Soak moong dal for 1 hour. Clean completely and grind with green chilies and ginger without adding water. Needed, add only 1 or 2 spoons of water into a thick smooth batter. Grease a steaming plate and drop the batter in a small portion all over the plate. Steam for 10 minutes, switch off the flame and let the body cool completely. In the same mixer jar, add onions, garlic and ginger. Blend into a smooth paste. Crush coriander seeds, cumin seeds, cinnamon, cloves and pepper coarsely in a mortar and pestle. Heat oil in a kadai. Add the crushed whole spices and bay leaf. Saute until aromatic. Add the onion, ginger, garlic paste and saute until golden brown. Also, make a smooth puree of 2 medium tomatoes. Add tomato puree and salt. Cook until the masala is nicely cooked and oil starts separating. Now add turmeric, kitchen king masala, red chili powder, kolhapuri masala and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of peanut coat and amchur powder for delicious tangy flavor. Mix all well. Add some water according to the gravy consistency you want and let the masala simmer. Once the gravy is ready, gently add the steamed moong vadis. Let them simmer in the gravy for a few minutes so they absorb all those delicious flavors. Finish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Don't make the vadis too small. They puff slightly while steaming and also absorb the gravy beautifully. I use only 1/4 cup of the batter for the vadis because we don't need too much for this gravy. The rest went straight into pakodas because my daughter loves them. Hot moong vadi masala with soft white rice bhakri and some crispy moong pakodas on the side. What a meal!